Hi everyone, welcome to VSPARKZ. I am going to walk you through the creation of EC2 Linux instances. Please subscribe to our VSPARKZ channel if you like the video. Let us see some basics of EC2. What is EC2? EC2 is a AWS compute service that gives you virtual machines in the cloud. EC2 can eliminate your need to invest in the hardware for your traditional business. These virtual machines are often referred to as EC2 instances. Before creating EC2 instances, we should be knowing some terminologies of EC2. The first thing is AMIs, that is Amazon Machine Images. The pre-configured templates for your instances are known as AMIs. That includes the operating system and the additional softwares. Various configurations of CPU, memory, storage, network performance, capacity for your instances are known as instance types. Key pairs are used to securely log in to your EC2 instances. Key pairs is composed of two keys, that is private key and the public key. AWS stores the public key and you have to store your private key more securely in your private organization or in your private environment. Amazon EBS, that is the elastic block storage, gives you the persistent storage volumes for your EC2 instances. The physical geographical locations are referred to as regions, and each region contains more than one data centers, and these data centers are called as availability zones. A security group, also called as firewall, that enables you to specify the protocols, ports and source IP ranges through which you can reach your instances. And the security groups are often called as firewalls. Virtual private clouds are the logical virtual networks that you can create in the AWS cloud. It is often referred to as VPC. Let us proceed to the next slide. This picture shows you the reference diagram of a physical machine to that of an EC2 instance. All the hardware resources like CPU, RAM, network, hard disk in a physical machine are the real physical hardwares that is depicted to your left. Whereas in your EC2 instance, it is fully virtual hardwares. You can see the same towards your right. Let us proceed to the next slide. Based on the configurations of CPU, RAM, hard disk, network performance, the instance types are classified into families. They are general purpose, compute optimized, storage optimized, memory optimized, and accelerated computing families. Let us see the use cases of different instance categories. The general purpose machines are used for low and mid-level workloads. The compute optimized machines are used for significant processing workloads. the memory optimized machines are used for memory intensive workloads, whereas the storage optimized is used for fast SSD storage workloads, whereas the GPU based machines are used for graphical processing workloads. Let us proceed to the next slide. Let us see the demo of creating EC2 instances. This is your AWS web services or the AWS sign-in page. If you don't have any account, just sign up for 12 months free trial access. Oops. I'm re-entering my password again. Oops. Again there is some problem with my browser. I hope so. I'm refreshing it. Got it. So this is your AWS management console. Just go to services, EC2, and say launch an instance. This is the AMI page, that is the public AMI page. You can choose your AMIs. So I'm going to choose the Amazon Linux AMI, which is developed and distributed by Amazon, which is free tier eligible, which means if you select this OS, they will not charge for you. This is the instance type selection page. In your free trial, you can choose only T2 micro instance, which can have 1 CPU and 1 GB of RAM, that is the 1 GB of memory. If you select the other instance types, you will be billed by AWS for the specific instances. These are the instance families which we seen earlier in our demo. This is the instance configuration page. Just leave this page by default and proceed next. And here you are adding the storage for your virtual machines. I'm adding 8 GB of storage to my Linux virtual machine, which is of this type. Add tags page. I'm not going to add any tags, and I'm proceeding further. This is the security group page where I'm going to create a new security group for my EC2 instances. This security group will allow only SSH protocol from any parts of the world. That means you can access your EC2 instances from any region in this world. That's why I'm giving it as anywhere. Review and launch. Just review. If you want your instances to be not to be charged, you should check whether you are choosing T2 micro and you are choosing an AMI with free tier. That too, this is applicable only within the 12 months free tier period. And here I am creating a new key pair to log into my instance. Just give a name and say download. The private key pair is getting downloaded to my local machine, and the public key will be kept by AWS. And I am launching the instances. My instance got launched and it is initializing. To this instance, I am just setting a name. That's the default tag, which is in pending state. So I need to connect to these instances. So I'm going to download a client called MobileXterm. Oops, I am going to the wrong URL, I believe. Here is the right one. Just say download home edition. Home edition is only free, and here you have to download the portable edition. So mobile XTerm client is getting downloaded. I'll revive the video once it is downloaded. So it got downloaded. Just extract the files from the RAR. Just click it. Go to sessions, click SSH, and in the remote host page, just give your EC2 instances public IP addresses, or give your DNS name, that is the public DNS name of your EC2 instance. So I am giving the public IP address. Specify username. When we don't know which user we need to access, just say connect. Copy the username from the window, put it right out there. Go to advanced SSH settings, just say use a private key. Browse through a folder where your mumbai.pem key got downloaded already. I think it should be in the downloads folder. Here it is. Just select it, say open, just click OK. He is authenticated. Here it is. We have logged into our machine. Just to cross check, just type IP space ADDR to cross check our private IP of your virtual machine. Go to the console again and check if it is the same. That's it. This is the architectural view of your EC2 instances. Okay, this is how you are going to connect from your client machine, that is from mobile XTerm. You trespass to the internet and you are hitting your EC2 instances remotely. So all these components we'll be seeing in the forthcoming videos. That concludes the demo. If you like the video, please subscribe to our VSPARKZ channel. Thank you for watching.